We're out here in eastern Utah. It is winter, still pretty cold out, but today we're gonna go over how Ashley and I work out on the road. Doesn't happen as often in winter, but we do have a pretty good setup, and today it's a little bit warmer, about 45 degrees, so we're gonna get a little workout in. We will stop at gyms as well, mainly for the showers, but when we do go, we'll stop and get a workout there. This is just how we do it on the road when we aren't going to a gym, which we probably only hit like once every week, depending on how we are doing for a shower. First thing we gotta do is get ourselves set up. Let's try to find a nice level spot with not too many rocks. A little piece of turf we got from Home Depot for like 30 bucks. Keep it up on the roof rack with our mat for camping. And this is our workout room. Got some ankle weights, a bow tie, some regular bands we got from Elite FTS. And then really the most important part of our workout equipment is our X3 bar set. So that's the plate for the ground. And then we have our bar, couple bands, comes with 4 or 5 bands, and just 2 right here. We're just gonna do some mobility today, kind of get the blood flowing and warm up a little bit. Now that the weather's warming up a little bit for us, let's get it.
That's adorable.
We always like to go on a walk first to warm up before we do anything. Plus, tire out the dogs. And then we'll get to our workout. Hey, let's go. That's pretty much how our workouts go. Tell us in the comments how you work out on the road, and like, subscribe, share this video for more content.